We are making tamarind date chutney or Khajur Imli chutney today. Who doesn't like this Imli good chutney? All of us do. But when we add dates to this Imli good chutney, it turns out amazing. So now let us see how to make this Imli or Khajur ki chutney. But before that, you know what to do. Subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to receive notifications from us. So here we are heating 6 cups water in a pan. As you all know, 250 milliliters is 1 cup for us. You can use any cup. Now we have added 1 cup imli or tamarind to this water which is boiling. And we are also adding 1 cup khajur or dates. We have deseeded, that is remove the seeds from both imli and khajur. And now we are adding 1 cup good or jaggery. So 1 cup jaggery, 1 cup dates and 1 cup tamarind have gone into boiling water. 6 cups boiling water. Now we have added half teaspoon saunf or fennel seeds. And this is 3/4 teaspoon red chilli powder or lal mirch. And this is jeera powder or cumin seeds powder. We have roasted the cumin seeds and powdered it. That is 1 teaspoon, and this is 1 teaspoon soot or dry ginger powder. And this is some rock salt. Add as per taste. We needed to add about 2 teaspoon. Give it a good mix. Now allow this to come to a boil. This is on high flame now. So now it has come to a boil and we have reduced the flame to medium. On a medium flame, we are going to cover and cook this for 25 to 30 minutes. Maybe even longer, but at least 25 to 30 minutes. But do not forget to keep checking it intermittently. And you have to give it a stir every 5 minutes and again cover it. So now, after 20 minutes of covering and cooking and stirring intermittently, let us check on this. We can see that the jaggery is totally dissolved, but the dates have not dissolved yet. So this should take some more time, maybe another 10 minutes. So in this chutney, the main thing is everything has to get dissolved on high heat or on medium flame. So now let us again cover and cook it for 10 more minutes. Now, after 10 minutes, but it has taken 30 minutes from the beginning. After 30 minutes, we have opened it now. And you can see that the mixture has reduced considerably in size now to less than half. So now we have switched off the flame and we are allowing this mixture to cool. We have taken it in a mixer jar after it has cooled. You must be wondering, it already looks like the chutney is done. But no, we have to grind it and also strain it. We have to strain it because dates have some fibrous particles in them. So the chutney then doesn't taste so good and it won't last long if those particles still remain. So strain it. This will take some 10 minutes to strain properly. You can also use your hands to strain. So strain it this way. And now this is the part that still remains and we have to discard it. Our date chutney is awesome, smooth date chutney is ready. And we are going to discard this portion as I said. This is all that is left. So don't skip this part of straining it. It's very important. Now you can serve this chutney. You can use it in any chaat that you want. Bhel puri, sev puri or even in Dahi bhalle. Now that reminds me, we are going to post Dahi bhalle video day after tomorrow. So stay tuned. Tomorrow we are going to post green chutney or chaat chutney or sandwich chutney. So this awesome date chutney is in a concentrated form now. This way it lasts in the fridge for 3 months. And now this is what we have diluted. This is how it appears when we have diluted it with water. But once diluted, it won't stay that long. You can use it by taking a small portion in a bowl, diluting it and serving it. This will stay for a few days in the fridge diluted. But this concentrated form is what will last us very long. So do not dilute this. Keep it as it is in the fridge and take small portions, dilute and serve and use for a few days. I hope you enjoyed watching this recipe of date tamarind chutney or imli khajur chutney. Thank you very much for watching this recipe. See you soon with another video. Bye till then. Take care.